So hi guys, we want to go on and see what is possible, and I saw we should install the LLM web search, which is a really important extension, at least for me. And yeah, the people who see the old tutorial know we just copy here the URL. We go in the session tab, and because this is not here, paste it in here, and it's cloning. Okay, so now we have to end this, and a good habit is if you have a model loaded like we here, hit unload, then you can hit Control C, and we are out of here, and let's start it. Just I am sure it does not working out of the box, but we test it. So,
Or the Mon is a fascinating.
don't shout at me, girl. Shows up here. We try to start it. And not sure if it's our lovely friend here.
Or the Mon is a
If it's our lovely friend. So maybe we save this here. Guess this does not work. No, it's. Guess we have at least to install it. Maybe we also have to update the requirements, but I'm not sure about this. So let's see, update wizard. So install update extension requirement, and we are here. This is luckily this is functioning, and yeah, let's see. It's cloning. Not sure how long that is. So I'm back if this is finished. So guys, this is finished with the install, and we see a typical error. I never had problems with this, but you cannot get rid of these problem. This file here is I googled it, and it's really it is really strange. I guess it's not maintained anymore, or not right. So we could ignore this from my experience, but if somebody knows how to fix this, that would be a great help. Yeah, so we hit here an N for nothing, and just start our system. There's nothing special because the web search is not started.
Or the Mon is a fascinating.
She's shouting at us. So let's see. Here it is. We try to start it. And you see, I guess the problem goes away with the update of the safe tenses here. This extension solves, I guess, its own requirements. So it's is ready. And yeah, we get the error with
or the mon is a
our girl gets kicked out. Let's, for good habit, let's save it. And like we always do, just get out here, clear, start again, and see, just get green messages. Looks good. Let's see.
or the mon is a
So, yeah. For the people who are new, this plugin does not work completely out of the box. So there is something you have to send here, a message. Like, for example, this one, a chat between a curious user and artificial intelligence. It really teaches the model how to Google and that it has to Google. From my experience this is in third person. It is better that you talk to the model like the second person. You are state-of-the-art artificial intelligence. This is much better. So we take this one and also we set a custom message and date and time should be also saved, which is a good idea. So we clicked all of this, and then we look. There is some here. This I had much better experience with this search string. So we copy this here from this site and copy it in here. So and now we save settings again. And yeah. Now we can load a model. Guess it's saved. Okay. And this time I show you a few other things with this extension, because you can get much better search results with a few tricks. So we go back here. See, this looks great. What we have to do is now we go under parameters, instruction template, and now you see we set a custom message for this, and this is the one who teaches the model how to search the internet. And for our lovely here Gwen model, we have also to check the chat ML, which this is important. Otherwise the model can get confused. So we load this, and now we can go back to the model and can try if it works. Please search the internet for the current time in New York. Let's see. And you see this was, I guess, the sign that it was searching.
The current time in New York is 1:30 p.m. It looks like it's currently in the afternoon there. What about you? What time is it where you are?
And something gets kicked out. I had here another much more pleasant, and also I want to
The current time in New York is 1:30.
I want the text under the another, so anything else? I'm not sure. We saved this. Okay. So this works. She is searching. Sometimes you see the web search NLM and then you see a short task running here through that is that she's searching the internet. But it's not always that you see it. I don't know why, but not sure. You can put this on that it logs everything. Maybe you see then every search. But now we can put something here. And you see the advanced settings, which is really interesting. Here there is an option which does much better search, but also takes much more memory. So it also takes a bit of memory now, all the extensions, and I'm not completely sure why. This is more than it was with the old version, but yeah, we will see. Maybe it's because it's not loaded as tensor cores. Let's see, just Q4. I didn't do the tensor cores because it didn't work the first time we tested. Maybe we try this later. But now for now, there is this better search option, which is SPLADE here. And yeah, we can do this and hit save. And then we have to start the whole thing again. So we unload the model and Control C to end this here. Start again and see what happened. Last time I get an error, but maybe with 2.0 this works better. This works better. Now it just loading the tokenizer thing and it needs to. Last time I had to reconfigure the requirements, update the requirements, but now it works out of the box, which is great. So this is for people who come new to oobabooga. I like to have it as easy as possible. That's why I'm doing these videos, because I think oobabooga is great, yeah, with searching the internet, special extensions. You can get much more out of this LLM here than any other high-paid custom model, if you know what you are doing. Yeah, especially if you can search the internet really efficient, and yeah, that's the reason why I'm doing this. Yeah, and I hope it goes on. Interesting. It's ready. No, it keeps on loading even after. That's interesting. Well, let's finish it. This is a lot of stuff. Yeah, but what I hear is SPLADE is a very intelligent system who can split searches and weight them, which are important, so you get really, really good results. If you said, well, search the internet and make me a report of what you find about this. This is very, very advanced technique. So maybe this is ready now. We try to load our model. So we just
The current time in New
renew this. And yeah, you find out if you have a voice it's like it's printed in this voice, and if you change it, this does not change. It's really a WAV file behind this what or MP3 what is played. So if you change the voice like I did here, it's just happens the next time your character talks. So yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it's in SPLADE mode, and we really want to see if we can use safe tensors. Yeah. So this is nearly the fastest and efficient what you can do. The streaming LLM, I had sometimes problems with the Q4. It's something which is really a Llama LLM problem. The only suggestion is to take this off. So I did. This gets confused if you run in two graphic cards, and you in Q4, the problem is not solved. I guess until now, maybe in the future. So if you have one card, perhaps you can use it. So um, it's just cause we split in two cards, and then you shouldn't use this. You get an error like quantization in the wrong card or something like this, and yeah, that's so this is why I don't use it now. So let's see. Um, uh, or let's do like something like um, so this is a lot of stuff here. Our oobabooga page. Yeah. Can you summarize what this page is about? So it cannot even search. You can just give the LLM web search URL, and it searches through in if it works. So you see, this is not very nice in the new design. The buttons are here, I guess, because um, the extension does not know the new design, and so you have here an overlaying thing. So what I forget to mention last time is you have here also a forced web search where you can see really this should be executed with the LLM web search. But normally it's just enough to can you summarize or search the internet. This is also the trigger is enough normally. So let's see if SPLADE is working. Really curious about if this is working. Looks good. And it also tries to talk. Really interesting. So
That's an interesting project. This GitHub page is for a web UI that allows users to generate text using various language models like PT2, PT3, and others. It provides a user-friendly interface for interacting with these powerful models and generating human-like text. It looks like it has features for fine-tuning the models on custom data, adjusting various parameters, and even integrating with Stable Diffusion for image generation. Pretty cool. Have you had a chance to play around with it yet?
So you see, it reads this completely, and it reads also about the this plugin that you can let oobabooga interact with automatic 10111. and it really finds out that this is really special. So this is the Gwen model is highly intelligent. It is really unbelievable if you play around with this. Sometimes it's spooky how clever this model is. Um, I just to mention it, here's the 32B, um, and next time I want to get a bigger one, which I can also fit in my memory if I click out a few extensions. But this is for the next video. So we hit SPLADE now, and then it's a semantic. I didn't try this, so we do this together. It's also something to get better search results, and let's see if this works also. I'm not sure if it's activated now or not, so we do all the whole thing like unloading and stopping. But the good is for unloading now, you know the tensor cores setting can be set again, which is great that it runs on the NVIDIA compiled um, Llama CCP. So we start this again. And just to mention it again, you don't have to run this on this big sizes. If you have a 12 GB card, you can run this about 8,000 or something, and don't have to use this card. You can this model you can use a 7B or a 13B model. Then you have here 33, which fits easy in a 12 GB card. Also, 3060, the old ones with 12 GB VRAM, they are great cards for starters for AI stuff. You see my 4070 Ti are just only have also 12 GB RAM. So on these 3060 cards you can get really cheap. So really, I highly recommend them. It's really great. Put the model in again. Let's see. Does it? Yeah, it does this. Let's search for something. Let's do this one. What is this extension about? So you can, if we talk to the model here, we can be sure that it knows about oobabooga. So we can just call this URL just extension. It's no problem. This is a really clever model. So let's see. Just curious if the whole process is working.
That's an interesting extension. This GitHub repository is for an extension that allows for web search capabilities to be integrated into large language models LLMs. It enables the 1000 to perform real-time web searches and incorporate that information into its responses. This can enhance the model's ability to provide up-to-date and accurate information. It's a neat way to bridge the gap between pre-trained models and the vast amount of information available on the web. Have you seen this extension in action yet?
So you see, this is really working, and yeah, this is much more than ChatGPT, because you can let her search, just search the internet for, and she will search 5 to 10 different sources, collect them, and give you a weighted result of it. So this is, but you have to really to try to teach her this by how you write the text. maybe we make a tutorial later about this. So this works also with the with SPLADE and semantics. They suggest here set this to 8 to get faster results. But you see, our plug-in stuff gets really it takes memory. So well, let's try it out. Let's go to 8 here and save this. And I guess it will take this. We don't have to start again for this. What? Please search the internet for a LLM model named Gwen 2.5, yeah. I should write it correct. This helps. And also this I found out. Not sure if you need both. But yeah, now she should search on her own without any URL. Just to show you. Well, there is a risk that, because it's a Gwen model, that it knows everything about Gwen and doesn't search the internet. Possible, but we will see. So as I mentioned...
Let me take a look. Here we go. The Qwen 2.5 is a large language model developed by Alibaba Cloud. It's a version of their Qwen series, which is known for its impressive text generation capabilities. Qwen 2.5 appears to be an updated model with improvements in language understanding and generation quality. It can generate text, write stories, answer questions, and even create code. Exciting stuff. Have you had a chance to use the Qwen models yet?
We also can try. Can you give a list of the features of Gwen 5? Sure if this. Can you give a list? Let's ask something else. Can you give a list of tech specs about RTX 3090? To make it easier a bit, let's do it like this. I want to get a list from her, which is sometimes not so easy. Sometimes she does it. So she can give you just a summarization of what she sees or reads. Sometimes she can give it the original context out. This is, I'm working on this. As you also see, I questioned this in the Reddit forum. And let's see.
Absolutely. The NVIDIA RTX 3090 is a powerhouse graphics card. Here are some of its technical specifications. CUDA cores, 10,496 tensor cores, 336 30 cores, 82 base clock, 1.4 is a boost clock, 1.7 is the memory size, 24 GB to 6 memory speed, 19.5 gigs of memory bandwidth, 936 GB a tip, 350W connectivity, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4x3. It's a beast of a GPU, perfect for high-end gaming, rendering, and AI workloads. The huge memory size and bandwidth, along with the fast clocks, make it an excellent choice for demanding applications.
So you see, but I was really lucky. Normally I don't get this on the first shot, but I played a lot of times around with Gwen and LLM web search. Yeah, you have really to find your way. And what I found out, if the model knows in the chat what you want, it really delivers it always. And if you ask in the same style, but sometimes it takes a bit to get a list like this. I remember my first tries, and it was a really mess what she was giving me. So yeah, hope this was a nice episode, and yeah, see you. Bye.